main content also, sir.
Yeah. So this is what the banking frontline today's data.
The
Please read
front line.
only the um, headlines. That will do.
Okay,
If it is something related to insurance, then I may ask you to read full content also. Please read.
okay, sir. Economy and finance. India ADB signed $500 million loan to aid sustainable infrastructure projects. The
Sir,
Union government and the Asian
but no,
Development Bank.
not required. The details not required. Bhattacharjee, you know what is
Yes,
meant by ADB?
yes, sir. Asian Development Bank.
Good. Where is its headquarters?
Sir, I think it is home.
Manila, Philippines.
Oh, sorry, sorry. Philippines. Yes, yes.
Yeah, please read.
Uh, Government may peg a financial year 26 fiscal deficit lower than 4.5% of GDP. Finance Ministry.
Yeah, good. Continue.
All India Consumer Price Index numbers for agricultural and rural laborers, uh,
November.
November 2024.
But this important point, please read.
Okay, sir. The All India Consumer Price Index for agricultural laborers, that is CPIAL, and rural laborers, that is CPIRL, base 1986 to 87 is equals to 100, registered an increase of 5 points each in the months of November 2024, reaching levels of 1,320 and 1,331 respectively. The year-on-year inflation rates based on CPIAL and CPIRL for the month of November 2024 were recorded at 5.35% and 5.47% respectively, compared to 7.37% and 7.13% in November 2023. The corresponding figures for October 2024 were 5.96% for CPIAL and 6.0% for CPIRL.
Please read.
Banking and finance. Banking
Hmm.
and finance. India's insurance penetration dips from 4% to 3.7% in 2023-24.
Read.
Sir, should I? Yes, sir.
Read.
Uh, ins- Insurance penetration in the country slowed down from 4% in 2022 to 23 to 3.7% in financial year 24, despite a strong push from the sector regulator to get the entire 1.4 billion population under cover by the time India turns 100. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has urged all cover companies to work towards insurance for all by 2047 and expand the reach of insurance across the country, according to the regulator's annual report for 2023-24.
1 minute. I will copy it.
Sir, can I ask one thing that here it is written that by 2047 means is it something related to Viksit Bharat program which is also
Exact.
to be applied?
Exactly. Exactly.
Oh, okay, sir.
Bixit 47. Yeah.
Yes, sir. 47. Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 minute. Where are we now? I
Yes,
was
sir.
in
Up
here.
to
Yeah. I
annual
was here.
report.
Yeah. Now continue.
Uh,
Aditya Birla.
Yeah, Aditya Birla Capital becomes first BFSI firm to offer full suite of financial services on ONDC platform. Aditya Birla
OND.
Capital has become the
Now,
first.
please read fully. Read.
Yeah, yeah. Aditya Birla Capital has become the first BFSI company to offer all three core financial services, lending, insurance, and mutual fund investments on the open network for digital commerce, that is ONDC platform. This move aims to provide broader access to financial products, particularly in underserved markets, and support financial inclusion across the country. Vishaka Mulle, CEO, Aditya Birla Capital Limited, said, "Our integration with the ONDC network will help us reach out to Bharat to fulfill the financial needs and aspirations of customers who may have previously lacked access to formal credit, insurance, and investment opportunities." By Financial Express.
Yeah.
Banks urge RBI to extend deadline for overlapping lending rules. Banks
Please.
have requested the Reserve Bank of India to extend the timeline for adhering to new guidelines that prohibit overlapping lending activities between banks and their group entities. In their feedback submitted through the Indian Banks Association (IBA), banks have sought an extension beyond the proposed 2-year time frame. According to sources, some banks have sought a relaxation of up to 5 years to fully comply with the regulations. Bankers have expressed concerns that the 2-year timeline for complying with the new guidelines is insufficient, a senior bank official said uh, by Financial Express. Business and industry. NTPC to establish green hydrogen infrastructure in Odisha under Ministry of
No,
MOU.
no, no,
That is
no, no.
Memorandum of Understanding. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, read. Now read.
Yeah, state-run power giant NTPC on Monday said it has signed an initial pact with GRI, DCO, and CRUT to set up green hydrogen infrastructure in Odisha. NTPC has signed a memorandum of understanding with GRI, DCO, a government of Odisha undertaking for energy capital region and urban transport (CRUT). The Public Transit Agency of the state government on Monday, as per a statement. The tripartite MOU intends to further green energy technologies in Odisha, especially a green hydrogen mobility scheme. As per the Memorandum of Understanding, NTPC will set up a green hydrogen fueling station in Bhubaneswar along with hydrogen buses for short haul and long haul operations.
Good.
Business
Now,
standard.
yeah.
Yeah. Banks lobby RBI to approve new benchmark for overnight indexed swaps. A group of Indian lenders has asked the central bank to approve a new benchmark for overnight indexed swaps. According to people familiar with the matter, the banks want the swaps to reference the newly proposed secured overnight rupee rate SORR instead of the prevailing Mumbai Interbank Outright Rate, that is MIBOR. The people said asking not to be named as the discussions are private. The move is intended to improve price discovery in the interest rate swap market, an opaque but important part of the financial system that helps banks and corporations manage their risks. An industry body reached out to banks this month to start work on the formulation of the SORR, the people said. Swap trades linked to the new rate could start once deliberations on the SORR are complete and the industry body publishes the market conventions, they said, by business standard. Regulatory and developmental news. Prime Minister distributes more than 71,000 appointment letters to newly appointed recruits in central government departments and organizations under Rozgar Mela. The Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi addressed the Rozgar Mela and distributed more than 71,000 appointment letters to newly appointed youth in the government departments and organizations via video conferencing today. Rozgar Mela highlights the Prime Minister's commitment to prioritizing employment generation. It will empower the youth by providing them with meaningful opportunities to contribute to nation building and self empowerment. Rozgar Mela will be held at 47 locations across the country. The recruitments are taking place for various ministries and departments of the central government. The new recruits selected from across the country will be joining various ministries, departments, including Ministry of Home Affairs, Department of Posts, Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Department of Financial Services, among others, by PIB.
PIB
Claims
means
ratio
what?
of,
PIB
sir,
means
I
what?
think, uh,
Press
uh,
Information Bureau.
Bureau, yes, sir. Press Information
Continue.
Bureau.
Continue.
Claims ratio of non-life insurers dips to 82.52% in financial year 24. That is, sir, it is by Insurance Regulatory Development Authority index report, sir.
Correct. Read.
Uh, Net incurred claims to net earned premium, that is claims ratio of non-life insurance industry stood at 82.52% during 2023 to 24 as against 82.95% in the preceding fiscal year as per the IRDAI's annual report. According to the annual report 2023 to 24 of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, that is IRDAI, during 2023 to 24, the non-life insurance industry underwrote a total direct premium of rupees 2.90 lakh crore in India, registered a growth of 12.76% from uh, previous year. The contribution of public sector general insurers increased 8.88% from rupees 82,891 crore in 2022 to 23 to rupees 90,252 crore in 2023 to 24. Private sector insurers, including standalone health insurers, have underwritten rupees 1.88 lakh crore as against rupees 1.58 lakh crore in 2022 to 23 by Economic Times.
Yeah, actually, this is also important. This is for insurance.
Yes, sir.
I
Insurance.
will post it in our Oriental group. Yeah. Now,
Yes, sir.
next, you please read the key indices. You know how to read this. Read.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Key indices. RBI key rates. Repo rate 6.5%. Forex RBI reference INR 1 USD 85.0713. Equity com dot market Sensex. It is 7850.540.17. Sir, am I reading it correctly?
No, no. Actually, I want you to read like RBI key rates first, then Forex
Hmm.
rates, then equity
Hmm.
and commodities market.
Oh,
Please read
okay,
like that.
sir. One. Yes, sir. I mean, one column, then next column, like this.
Yeah, yeah.
RBI key rates, repo rate 6.50%, SDF 6.25%, MSF or bank rate is 6.75%, CRR 4.00%, SLR 18%, then Forex RBI reference, INR 1 USD 85.0713, INR 1 GBP 106.9295, INR 1 EUR 88.7810, INR 100 JPY 54.3200.
Actually,
Equity,
when we read this, it is sufficient. We read 2 digits, not 4 digits.
oh, acha, acha, acha.
What
Okay,
is
sir.
USD? What is USD?
Sir, it is full form is I think some yes,
US
sir.
dollar.
I know.
US
Yes, sir.
dollar.
United States dollar.
Yeah. Then
Yes,
GBP,
sir.
Great
GBP. I
Britain
think.
pound. Great Britain
Oh,
pound or Great Britain pound. Correct. GBP. Pound sterling. What is
pound
one
sterling.
EUR?
EUR. So, sir, I
Is
think
euro.
euro.
Euro. What is JPY?
JPY. Sir, Japanese yen. I think.
Super. I think bolna nahi. Japanese yen. Correct. Good. Very good. Please read equities and commodities market.
Equities and commodities market. Sensex 78,540.17. Uh, NIFTY 23,753.45. Bank NIFTY 51,317.60.
So what has happened on 23rd in the equity market?
No, sir, I don't know.
You should say here it is all given as plus plus plus. So the prices have been rising during the day because
Oh,
it has come down from the highest figure of some 82,000 or 83,000 to 77,000. Slowly it is rising now. Okay.
sir, what is the reason that the commodities market price rise?
Now it is, see, earlier a lot of money was withdrawn from our country by
Hmm.
foreign direct investors. Now, because of the change in the political scenario, to some extent, confidence is bestowed on Indian companies. So they have brought more money into the share market. So the prices are going up. And
Oh,
also the domestic institutional investors, DII, they are also bringing more money and hence this has increased. But it is all a question of every day, it differs.
oh,
Suddenly, Russia makes a huge impact in Ukraine that may result in a different thing. And like so many factors go in to decide this. Right now, the war with Russia is going on a large scale.
Yes, sir.
Russia war is
Mm.
Russia is hitting on Ukraine on very vehement scale, and
Mm.
North Korea is also helping
Oh.
Russia. That's what it is. Good. I will
And sir,
close.
and
Yeah, yeah. Tell
sir,
me.
sir, elections also affect the Sensex market, right, sir? If I'm not
Yeah,
wrong.
yeah. Elections
Oh,
will also affect. Not the state elections may not affect that much, except
yes, sir.
as
Yes, sir.
Maharashtra state, that election will affect the rates because lot of industries are there, lot of companies are there. But supposing there is election in Assam and all, that may not affect very much.
Yes, sir.
The,
Central level elections might
yeah,
affect.
that is the thing. Good. I will close this video and
Okay.
I will restart again. I will come again after 5 minutes. Okay, there is
Okay.
time now. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.